In this video, I'll walk you through how to use UTerminal. UTerminal is an integrated developer terminal for Unity editor that connects your terminal and AI development tools, letting you handle coding, command execution, and MCP automation all in one place. By default, UTerminal uses Unity's officially supported MCP. For editor versions that do not support the official package, UTerminal also provides its own built-in MCP. To use Unity's official MCP, you need to install the required package. Unity hasn't yet established a clear billing policy for its AI package, and from version 2.7.0 onward, local MCP usage may be blocked or counted as billable tokens. Until the policy direction is clarified, please use version 2.6.0, where local MCP remains unrestricted. Next, let's go over the Unity AI Assistant settings. Please accept and enable MCP usage. Then accept the MCP server connection and enable the required tools. Now let's try using UTerminal. Go to Window, UTerminal, Diagnostics. Here, you can check the current status of UTerminal and its companion tools. Go to Window, UTerminal, Settings. Here, you can configure UTerminal preferences and create or customize frequently used terminal profiles. Under Settings, Terminal Preferences, you can configure options such as the font, buffer size, crash handling behavior, and shortcuts. Under Settings, Profile Management, you can customize terminal profiles that you use often. The default profiles may vary slightly depending on your OS. Window, UTerminal, Settings here. You can create and customize UTerminal preferences and frequently used terminal profiles. These are the default profiles. Default profiles cannot be deleted, but they can be customized. These are optional profiles for customization. Let me show you an example of terminal profile settings. Many of you will probably use bypass mode quite often. If you need to pass arguments when running a TUI app, you can enter them like this. For example, Claude uses dangerously skip permissions. Color themes are also available for each profile. UTerminal provides both built-in color themes and customization options. Now, let's create a new profile. Enter a profile name. Then specify the executable path and the command to run. To delete a profile, click the trash can button. You can also duplicate profiles. Profiles can be exported and shared with other projects or team members. You can set a default profile as well. Keep in mind that your changes will only be applied after clicking Save Changes. Now let's open a terminal. Go to Window, UTerminal, Terminal Window. Window, UTerminal, Terminal Window. When starting for the first time, UTerminal requires some setup for various convenience features. If you select Start Setup, UTerminal will install the companion tools that support various features and configure the environment. Once setup is complete, the console window will be ready to open. If you click the button in the upper left corner, you'll see the available profiles. Let's add a PowerShell tab. For MCP settings, click the button in the upper right corner. The Configured tab shows the list of Unity MCP servers detected in the current project. UTerminal MCP is a built-in feature intended for developers using editor versions that cannot use Unity.AI Assistant. Depending on the future direction of Unity.AI Assistant MCP, this built-in feature may be gradually deprecated or developed. Unity AI Focus Guard helps prevent domain reload issues when the Unity editor loses app focus. When you are working with other processes outside this project, Focus Guard may force the Unity editor process to stay selected. So it is recommended when you leave AI automation loop tasks running while you are away. There is also a Settings button. The Refresh button is used when terminal text occasionally appears broken, overlapped, or displayed incorrectly. The Clear button does not reset the context of the LLM AI CLI. It only clears the buffer in the UTerminal window. Now let's run an LLM AI CLI tab. I'll run the Codex CLI in bypass mode. When using Unity.AI Assistant MCP, this pop-up will appear. Please click Allow. You can confirm that UTerminal's Codex CLI is connected in the Connected Clients list. Let's request a simple test response. Text wrapping also works correctly when resizing the window. Let's adjust the layout a bit for convenience. I'll increase the font size slightly. Now, let's run the Claude CLI in bypass mode as well. You'll need to approve the MCP connection here too. You can confirm that Unity.AI Assistant MCP is connected. Next is one of UTerminal's key feature sessions can be preserved even after closing the editor. When you click the Editor Close button, UTerminal checks whether there are active sessions and asks whether you want to keep them running or terminate them. If you click Terminate, all terminal sessions will be closed. If you click Keep Running, their current state will be preserved. The editor has now been closed, so let's open it again. The previously opened tabs have been restored correctly. Next, let's try using Codex's goal skill. If you drag and drop a folder or file from the project window into the terminal, its path will be pasted automatically. You can run Go like this. While goal is running, let's test session persistence once more. This concludes the UTerminal guide. Thank you.